Today we're going to strum and sing a fun, easy-to-play song by John Prine named Dear Abby. You only need 4 chords to play this tune. It's in 3/4 time, so please get your ukulele and let's jam. Hey everyone, Stu Fuchs from Ukulele Zen, helping you play your ukulele with lessons and tips that are fun, relaxing, and help you go deeper into your music. If you're new to this channel, I put up videos each and every week, so hope you'll consider subscribing. Make sure you ring the notification bell too, so you never miss a video from Ukulele Zen. This song is, of course, in tribute to the great American songwriter, Mr. John Prine. What makes this song funny is that it's meant to be like the Dear Abby column. After we review the basic chords and strum, we're going to play the song together. You can follow along right here on the screen with lyrics and chords. If you'd like to support this channel and get a printable PDF plus a whole bunch of extra benefits for your ukulele journey, click right here to visit my Patreon page. There are links here and in the video description below. You can learn about the benefits of your membership. Thanks so much for your support. Let's get into the jam. Just so you know, the 4th and final verse is a little naughty. Don't say I didn't warn you. Now you only need 4 basic chords to play this, and even if you've played these chords a million times before, go deeper. And this is what I mean by that. Strum your C major chord, take the instrument away. This is a fun exercise and it will really train you to be relaxed. When you take the instrument away, see how light your hand feels. For me, I feel like I'm just holding a little egg or a ping pong ball in my hand. When the ukulele returns, there's not much more pressure. So cultivate, practice being light, and you will be richly rewarded. The next is F, then G. The last chord you'll need is D7. An easy way to transition is to lift up the ring finger, plop these 2 fingers down. See how fingers 1 and 2 are in common to both G and D7. Of course, feel free to play this D7. Sometimes I like to finger it this way so I can go right back to C. And now for the strum. It's kind of fast. We'll be going at 160 beats a minute in 3/4 time. Sounds like this. To slow that down, it's 1, 2, and 3, and 1, 2, and 3, and 1, 2, and 3, and 1, 2, and 3, and. Directions are down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Accent the first beat strongly, and you'll always have a nice musical sound. 2 and 3, and 1, 2. Hope you're enjoying this video so far. If you are, hope you'll subscribe and smash the like button. Make sure you share this video with your friends. Let's get into the jam right now. So glad you're here. Let's jam. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Dear Abby, my feet are too long. My hair's falling out and my rights are all wrong. My friends, they all tell me I've no friends at all. Won't you write me a letter? Won't you give me a call? Sign, bewildered, bewildered, bewildered. You have no complaint. You are what you are and you ain't what you ain't. So listen up, Buster, and listen up good. Stop praying for bad luck and knocking on wood. Sign, Dear Abby. Dear Abby, my fountain pen leaks. My wife hollers at me and my kids are all freaks. Every side I get up on is the wrong side of bed. If it weren't so expensive, I'd wish I was dead. Sign, unhappy, unhappy, unhappy. You have no complaint. You are what you are and you ain't what you ain't. So listen up, Buster, and listen up good. Stop praying for bad luck and knocking on wood. Sign, Dear Abby. Dear Abby, you won't believe this. My stomach makes noises whenever I kiss. My girlfriend, she tells me it's all in my head, but my stomach, it tells me to write you instead. Sigh, noisemaker, 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 you have no complaint. You are what you are and you ain't what you ain't. So listen up, Buster, and listen up good. Stop praying for bad luck and knocking on wood. Sign, dear Abby. Dear Abby, dear Abby, well, I never thought my girlfriend and I would ever get caught. We were sitting in the backseat just shooting the breeze, with her hair up in curlers and her pants to her knees. Sign, just married, just married, just married, you have no complaint. You are what you are and you ain't what you ain't. So listen up, Buster, and listen up good. Stop praying for bad luck and knocking on wood. Sign, dear Abby. Sign, dear Abby. One more. Sign, dear Abby. Just want to share, this is my vintage soprano ukulele. This beat up old soprano has got a nice tone and I love to play it. It was my stunt ukulele for many years. You can see Peanut flying up here in the air, but don't worry, never was dropped. If you'd like to learn some ukulele circus tricks, there's a playlist in the description below. There are 15 videos teaching you all kinds of fun stuff you can do with the ukulele. Hope you enjoyed playing along with me. Please watch more videos right here at the end card. I hope you'll subscribe to this channel, ring the notification bell, smash the like button, and join our community at Patreon. Thank you so much. We'll see you soon.